Here's how I like to braid around a core. I have all of my warps in place on the disc per usual, and then the core material is wrapped in its own plain bobbin and it's just hanging off the side. It's not in a slot. Because I turn my disc to the left, I start with my core up here in the northwest quadrant. That way it's out of the way when I do my top right down move. So here's top right down, tuck the bead in like we always do, bring it across. Now I need to scoot the core out of the way. Just scoot this over here to the northeast, and now it's out of the way for the bottom left up move. Bottom left up, tuck the bead, bring it up. Time to rotate. I turn to the left. And now my core is once again out of the way in the northwest quadrant. Top right down. Scoot the core. Bottom left up. Rotate. If you rotate your disc to the right, you'll want to keep your core down here in the southwest to start with. So my core is in the southwest. Do my top right down move. Top right down, tuck the bead, lock it in place. Scoot the core over here to the southeast. And I can do bottom left up. Now I'm going to rotate the disc to the right. And my core is out of the way in the southwest quadrant. Top right down, scoot the core out of the way. Bottom left up. Rotate. And that's how you braid around a core.